Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show that how to manage the visibility of your email address on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, let's simply open up your Facebook app, and then after that tap at the profile picture in the top right corner, just like that. Once you come to your manual section by typing in this profile picture, tap at the go left side of that search icon to open up settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap at privacy checkup. In privacy checkup, just simply tap at who can see what you're sure. Who can see means your audience. Just simply tap at continue, and here you can find the option of email. I have connected two emails to my profile. I get the two options. How many emails you have connected, you get those options. Just in order to set the visibility or manage the visibility, or you can set it only me, or you can tap on it and set it according to your requirements. Just simply you can set it to friends or friends of friends, just by tapping on it like that. Once you're done with it, just simply come back. There's no need to go for the further steps. Just simply come back. So the tower can easily manage the visibility of your Facebook profile. That's one way. There are also multiple ways, but those are some difficult ways. So I think that this is the easiest way to show you. So I hope it helps you guys. And if you have any question, just leave in the comment section below, and I'll be catching you next video. Thanks, guys. And if you think that this will help you and you learn how to manage the visibility of your email address on Facebook, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on Instagram. Goodbye till the next video.